You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to find and manage your clipboard on iPhone. The iPhone does not have a visible clipboard history app like some Android phones. However, you can access the last item you copied. Simply go to any text field like in Notes or Messages, tap and hold, then select Paste. That pastes the most recent copied item. To view multiple clipboard items, you can use a third-party app like Clipboard Manager from the App Store. After installing, grant it necessary permissions, and it will save your copy history. For a built-in method, use the Shortcuts app, create a new shortcut, add the Get Clipboard action, then the Show Result action. Run this shortcut to see your current clipboard content. Apple's Universal Clipboard also lets you copy on one Apple device and paste on another if both are signed into the same Apple ID and have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled. Remember, the native iPhone clipboard only holds one item at a time, and it's cleared when you restart your phone. Or copy something new. For more simple iPhone tips, subscribe to the channel.